What's going on, everybody? So, as most of you know, I have been accused of paying for subscribers, paying for likes, paying for comments, which I'm not sure how I would pay for comments because the comments have been turned off for over 2 months. And I did finally figure out how they got turned off. I turned them off because the scammer kept commenting, but that's just something that you got to deal with if you're going to be a YouTuber, I guess, or if you're extremely good at what you do and you're way better than the competition. But just wanted to point something out here and show you a clip of what's not organic on YouTube, or a channel slash scammer's channel that's not organic. So check it out. So obviously this is towards me. We're breaking records organically over here. Okay. So you got 308 new subscribers in a month. Tell me how you get 308 subscribers when you didn't even get 308 views. Makes no sense. 503 likes. You don't get no likes. So how did you get 503 likes? 387 shares. That's probably between me and everybody else that's trying to expose you. That's where those shares come from. But this is my favorite one. 107 comments. You get 0 comments on every single video. But this may actually be accurate because what you do is you delete the comments. That's why it says 107 comments. It should say 107 comments deleted. So no, none of this is organically, as you like to put it. You can't get 308 subscribers if you don't have 308 views. Make it make sense. All right, so just to be transparent, and I was wrong, he has over 400 views. But you mean to tell me out of 400 and something views, over 300 people subscribe to your channel when there's 0 to learn about this channel other than you're psychotic and you like little girls? There's really nothing else to learn on here, so I don't think people really want to subscribe for that. Maybe there's some people that do, but I just wanted to add this clip because, well, I was wrong. You did get over 300 views. I apologize, people, but I'm a man. I make mistakes, and I'm pointing out those mistakes now. But yeah, so there's no way 300 and something people subscribe to your channel, and there's no way you're doing things organically, because who wants to watch somebody that knows absolutely nothing about credit repair and somebody who has an addiction to little girls? I don't know anybody that would watch that crap. So as you can see, nothing is organically. Nobody's sharing his stuff. Nobody's commenting. And when they do, they delete it. That's why it looks like he had 107 comments. And maybe he did have 107 comments. But I guarantee you, if you can go back to his last videos for the month and find 107 videos, or sorry, 107 comments, I'll give you $107. You can't, because he deletes them because they're all negative, because everybody he scams comments on his channel. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great day.